This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Brown. Large 1,650 square feet. 3-bed, 2-bath home with partially fenced yard ready for its new owners. Great open floor plan, vaulted ceilings home, master suite separate from other bedrooms, and large kitchen. Good size entry laundry room access. Huge living room, open to dining and kitchen. Master suite has full ensuite bath and linen closet for more storage. Porch off back with access to yard. Neighbors on only 2 sides, feels more private. Some of the newest upgrades: new flooring and interior paint throughout, new hot water tank. The roof is only 4 years old. All under 320.